Thing a lot of people are searching for right now. Real ways to earn money online. Whether you want a little side income or you're dreaming of quitting your 9-to-5, I'm breaking down some options that are simple, doable, and don't require a huge investment. Let's jump right into it. Freelancing. Turn your skills into cash. If you're good at something like writing, design, video editing, or even translating, freelancing could be your first step to earning online. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients looking for your skills. You don't need to be a pro at the start. Even beginner-level gigs can pay well once you build up your reviews. Just put together a simple portfolio, be consistent, and the opportunities will follow. Affiliate marketing. Get paid to recommend. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to earn passively online. You share a product or service, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It works really well if you already create content, like a blog, a TikTok account, or a YouTube channel. Programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale are great places to begin. It's all about trust. Only promote things you'd actually use yourself. Dropshipping. Start a shop without inventory. Imagine running an online store without ever touching the products. That's dropshipping. You set up a store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, choose products from suppliers, and focus on marketing. When someone orders, your supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You just handle the branding and customer experience. It's perfect if you want to start a business without a big upfront cost. YouTube content creation. Share what you know. Yes, YouTube can still be a great source of income. Whether you post tutorials, reviews, or stories, if people watch, you can earn. Once your channel meets YouTube's monetization rules, you can start earning through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. And don't worry if you're camera shy. You can use stock clips, animations, or TTS, as long as it's natural and engaging. Just keep the content helpful or entertaining and stay consistent. Online coaching or digital courses. Teach and get paid. If you're knowledgeable in a topic, like fitness, digital art, languages, or even Canva design, you can coach others online or sell your own digital course. Platforms like Teachable or Gumroad make it easy to set up. You don't need a huge audience to start, just value to offer. People are always looking to learn from someone a step ahead of them. Selling stock photos or videos. Monetize your camera roll. Got a decent camera or even a phone with good quality? You can make passive income by uploading your photos or video clips to stock websites like Shutterstock, Pexels, or Adobe Stock. Businesses, YouTubers, and marketers use stock media every day. Nature shots, city scenes, even aesthetic desk setups. Those can all sell. The key is good quality and tagging them properly so people can find your work. Print on demand. Design. Once, sell forever. If you enjoy making designs but don't want to manage inventory, try print on demand. You can upload your designs to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy using Printify. When someone orders, the company prints and ships the product, and you earn your cut. You can create shirts, mugs, posters, tote bags, just about anything. Trendy, funny, or aesthetic designs do especially well. Voiceover and TTS content, speak or script for pay. You don't need to show your face to build a voice-based income stream. With tools like 11 Labs or Natural TTS Voices, You can create faceless YouTube content, audio, or even voiceovers for others. Just make sure the voice sounds human-like, the content is engaging, and your videos offer value.